So this is my kitchen window here, and you're looking at a sweet potato vine that I'm trialing this year. Very, very hard to find. I've talked about it in some other videos. This is it's just called Asian greens, and only a few weeks of growth in a glass of water, and the roots have exploded, wrapping around the bottom. Sweet potato vine does grow pretty fast, but this one in particular is amazingly fast because it doesn't focus on growing a tuber. It focuses only on these adventitious roots and these net roots. It probably does create a tuber, but it's very small and insignificant. And if we take a look out in the front here, you can see that just 2 cuttings a few months ago have completely taken over this bed, the front bed. They're climbing up the porch, and I've been eating quite a bit of these actually too. And we've had drought over the past probably month, and it just rained, but these were all doing just fine, even in the drought. So I harvest the young tips here, but honestly you probably would be fine even eating the bigger, more mature leaves. Yeah, this one really palatable leaves. They kind of they cook down really well. They're not very fibrous, not very tough. They're very light, and really desirable for cooking. Although, of course, all sweet potato leaves are edible, but these are extra edible. So I don't know really if I'm gonna be selling these. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you'd be interested in, using these as like a vegetable. They grow all summer long, and I'm going to see if I can overwinter them here, either inside or in a greenhouse of some kind, because they probably won't come back next year on their own, but I hope they do, because pretty much just endless greens, as many as you want.